If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Compass Trailhawk in diamond black crystal pearl. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, fog and cornering lamps, 17-inch polished black aluminum wheels, LANESENSE lane departure warning, monotone paint, advanced brake assist, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 23,167 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Sirius XM radio, dual zone temp control, rear 60/40 folding seats, PARKSENSE rear park assist system, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3446A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.